This part of the bulletin is brought to you by Gautam Bali Makeup Studio and Academy, Sector 1, Chanihima, Jammu. Good evening all, you're watching the news now and I am Bindya with the news at 5. Let's have a look at the headlines first. PM's big gift to the agricultural world, dedicated 35 specific varieties of crops to the country. Cyclone Gulab causes havoc in Andhra Pradesh, waterlogging in many places. Big success for security forces, Pakistani terrorist caught alive on LOC. And David Warner's SRH future in doubt, Baylis says a team looking to field youngsters. And now the news in detail. In a major gift to the agricultural world of country, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today dedicated 35 special varieties of crops to the nation. Apart from this, the new campus of National Institute of Biotic Stress Management, Raipur, was also inaugurated. Prime Minister Modi participated in this program through a video conferencing. These special varieties of crops have been developed by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research. It aims to tackle the twin challenges of climate change and malnutrition as well. The Pan-India event is being organized jointly by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, state and central agricultural universities and Krishi Vigyan Kendras. Normal life in Andhra Pradesh has come to a standstill due to Cyclone Gulab. Due to this continuous storm, water is entering people's home. A flood-like situation has arisen and farmers' crops have been damaged. Cyclone Gulab that rose from the Bay of Bengal has shown its intensity in Andhra Pradesh and Orissa. This is the reason that its effect is being seen more in Andhra Pradesh. However, it has been said from the meteorological department that the storm will weaken in the next 6 hours. Let's see in the picture where the storm caused havoc so far. Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh has recorded heavy rains due to Cyclone Gulab. After this, a flood-like situation has arisen here. Not only this, the storm has also caused a huge destruction in Orissa. Alerts related to this storm are being issued by the meteorological department continuously. Security forces have arrested a Pakistani terrorist who tried to infiltrate into the borders. One terrorist also killed during the encounter. The security forces have got the currency of Pakistan from the slain terrorist. A terrorist who has escaped is being told as an agent of Pakistan Intelligence Department ISI. There has been a big disclosure on the Pakistani conspiracy to spread terror in Jammu and Kashmir. Live evidences of terror against Pakistan has been found in Uri of Kashmir. Today's success is also a special one because 5 years ago, the same day, the army had conducted a surgical strike against the terror of Pakistan.
Which we have had a history of infiltration in 2016. That is when a suicide attack at Uri garrison took place. It is also revealed that this infiltration group was supported from the Pakistani side by 3 porters who had come till the line of control along with supplies. The Pakistani post opposite this area is the Jabari post. Now, movement of such large group of people cannot take place without active complicity of the Pakistan army deployed on the other side. What we have also seen that there has been a lot of movement in the launch pad across line of control. You would recall that their infiltration attempt has also been made on 18th when 3 terrorists were neutralized in the neighboring area. Now it shows the desperation of Pakistan when he sees that the peace and stability in Kashmir is something that is not to Pakistan's liking. So there is desperation to send in terrorists to create disturbance and some kind of a sensational strike. In last 7 days, 7 terrorists have been neutralized and 1 terrorist has been apprehended, and 5 of these neutralizations have taken place along the line of control.
The Jammu and Kashmir police today arrested 2 militant associates in Pulwama and also busted a militant hideout in Razikadal area of Srinagar district. In a joint operation of Srinagar Police, Pulwama Police and 50 RR, they arrested 2 underground workers from Pulwama were arrested today. These searches were conducted on an input about the presence of an LET commander Riaz, who reportedly had created a hideout in a Razikadal area of Nohata, Srinagar. However, the forces could not find any of the ammunition in the hideout, but investigations still continue. Celebrating the World Heart Day today and to provide medical aid to the people of Ward number 28 by Corporator Shamlal Basan in collaboration with Ascom's Hospital Sidra, a free medical camp was organized at Saryara Sabha Press Mode. The camp provided free medical checkups like free sugar testing, free medicines and free ECG provisions.
तो फैट्स वगैरह ज़्यादा है, कोलेस्ट्रॉल ज़्यादा है, ये जो चीज़ें हैं ये जन्म देती हैं हार्ट अटैक को। ये खान पीन का जो है उसका पूरा ध्यान रखें, परहेज़ करें और इसकी मैनेजमेंट पूरी करें, तभी हम हार्ट अटैक से बचते हैं। वरना जब आप आज दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा जो हार्ट अटैक हो रहे हैं वो चाइना में, उसके बाद इंडोनेशिया, उसके बाद रशिया वगैरह हैं। लेकिन जापान जैसे बाकी कुछ कंट्री हैं जहाँ पर बिल्कुल कम हो गया है, उन लोगों ने मैनेजमेंट की है। तो मैं चाहूँगा कि सभी लोगों को मैनेजमेंट मतलब करनी चाहिए, परहेज़ करना चाहिए, ताकि हार्ट जो फैट वाली चीज़ें हैं ज़्यादा ना खाएं कि कुछ।
The recently repaired Burma Bridge on the Jammu-Udhampur National Highway got damaged again when a dumper tried to cross the bridge today. Police personnel posted at the bridge said that as per the recent orders of not allowing vehicles through the bridge, the dumper was stopped to cross it, but the adamant driver refused to adhere to the orders and tried to cross the bridge forcefully, posing damages to the bridge again. Earlier, the Burma Bridge got damaged due to the heavy rains last month and no movement of vehicles was allowed on it.
डंपर को ले ले फोटो उधर क्या कर ले गड्डी का हां अपनी पहले तो यहां मारे गड्डी वाला पास मारो मारा ताई।
Walnuts are considered to be the backbone of economy for both growers and for Kashmir as well. Walnut harvesting season started from September 15th and thousands of people are busy with this activity. But walnut harvesters are disappointed with the approach of current government towards them, as no compensation is being provided to them in case of a death of a walnut grower while slipping from the tree, or destruction of crop by hailstorms, or that of the dropping rates in market. And now they have appealed the LG administration to provide them compensation in such cases.
क्योंकि अगर हम देखेंगे दूसरे फ्रूटों से ये एक ऑर्गेनिक फ्रूट है जिसमें किसी चीज़ की कोई मिलावट नहीं है, जो पूरी इंडिया में अगर हम देखेंगे कश्मीर में ये प्रोडक्ट आ रहा है और फॉरेन से भी आ रहा है, कैलिफोर्निया से भी और दूसरे चिली से भी। लेकिन इंडिया के लिए ये मतलब एक डिग्निटी की बात है कि हमारे अपने जो कश्मीर है, कश्मीर से ये प्रोडक्ट आ रहा है, लेकिन कभी भी इसकी तरफ तवज्जो नहीं दिया गया गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से। ताकि चाहे आप हम देखेंगे कि कश्मीर में स्पेशली कोई मंडी नहीं है इसकी, हमें भी जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स जो है वो जम्मू में लेने पड़ता है और इसमें खास तवज्जो गवर्नमेंट ने अभी तक नहीं दिया। चाहे हम अगर बात करेंगे जो हमारे लेबर इसमें तकरीबन 30-40 लगते हैं जो फंडाई वाले होते हैं, उनके लिए भी ये हाई।
Denying the allegations made by few people against the Poonch Degree College administration over the misuse of garden area by administration, the principal Degree College Poonch Syed Musarraf Hussain Shah in his statement has clarified that the garden of the college will remain as it is and all allegations are baseless, being built up by the miscreants to vilify the image of the college administration. He said that there should be no politics on educational institutions. He further clarified that this simple garden will be turned into a tulip garden where flowers worth 50,000 rupees would be displayed.
हैं तो वो ओवरऑल सिनेरियो को नहीं देखते हैं और जितनी कोई बात उनको कही जाती है तो वो उसी को सही मान के चलते हैं और जो ग्राउंड रियलिटीज़ होती हैं तो वो उनको पता नहीं होती हैं तो वो उस हिसाब से कमेंट करना शुरू कर देते हैं विदाउट रियलाइजिंग के कॉलेज के अंदर स्टाफ है, प्रिंसिपल है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है, दे आर वर्किंग अंडर द डायरेक्ट कमांड ऑफ द सेक्रेटरी टू गवर्नमेंट हायर एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट। तो वो कोई चीज़ जो है वो डिसाइड करेंगे तो दैट विल बी इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स एंड द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द पब्लिक एट लार्ज। तो इस तरह से यहाँ पे कोई भी डिसीजन ऐसा जो है वो हम नहीं लेंगे कि जो किसी हमारे बच्चों को या यहाँ के लोकल पब्लिक को डिस्कम्फर्ट में डाले। टेक्निकल गार्डन।
थैंक यू।
Moving on to the world of entertainment, Shahid will be next seen on the big screen in Jersey. Bollywood star Shahid Kapoor says Jersey is his best filmmaking experience. Shahid says he is fortunate to realize his dream of becoming an actor and hopes to develop his craft to the best of his ability. Shahid, the 40-year-old actor, wrote in a reply on his microblogging site that he has been blessed to get varied opportunities in his career. A Hindi remake of a 2019 Telugu blockbuster of the same name, it will be released theatrically on December 31st. And from across the world of sports, David Warner may not be able to play further part this Indian Premier League season for Sunrisers Hyderabad. Experiencing a sharp drop this season, Warner was dropped for the second time this season on Monday. As per the reports, head coach Trevor Bayliss said that the team is looking to give younger players more time on the field. SRH, who recorded just their second win in 10 matches today, score at the bottom of the table. Kane Williamson replaced him as captain. And that's all in this news bulletin. For latest update and more news, stay tuned with TNN Web and keep reading the News Now daily and e-print papers.